Nothing big.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I have $1. It was 9.50 I'll give it to you. I asked Lauren to give me 50 cents, but he forgot. Please don't give me 50 cents.
No, it's not him to give it you.
No, I meant, go tomorrow. So you would never know.
I knew she'd get me. It's gonna be like that. Like, we're not gonna do that.
I think I have pennies.
No, at least my mom has it all yet. It's like a record for her.
Wow. Can't tell which side it's on more.
I think it's over there.
Over there? Oh yeah. Doo-doo-doo.
Go on the roof.
Nah. The things are back.
What things? Oh, they are? They told me earlier.
That was pretty bright.